Hello guys, I'm back with another video. Today I will be reviewing and racing the new McLaren 570S GT4 car. It's also the sixth anniversary car for CBT. As you can see on the wrap, it's basically the car dealership tycoon car because it's logoed up with all Foxy's logos and the game's logos on it. And it has the number 6 to represent the 6th anniversary. But I like this color scheme. And also this car has a upgraded engine, upgraded turbos, upgraded wheels, upgraded brakes, and then I changed the drivetrain of this. This is now all-wheel drive. Anyways, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, leave a like, and comment down below. Get me to 80 subs before June 15th. 18th, I meant. Peace.